up your hats and get ready for 10 mind-bending facts about the Isle of Man. Mind-bender. 1. The Isle of Man is one of the Celtic nations, and its name is closely associated with the Celtic sea god Manannan. The Manx Gaelic name for the Isle of Man is Ellen Bannon. Mindbender. 2. Do you remember learning about plate tectonics at school? Well, Niarbyl on the southwest coast of the Isle of Man is the meeting point of two prehistoric continents, which means you can stand on the ancient plate holding present-day England and parts of Ireland, and then literally jump to the one containing North America and Scotland. Iapetus Suture is a geological fault where these two paleocontinents collided. Avalonia holds England and parts of Ireland, and the Isle of Man, of course. Laurentia holds North America and Scotland and parts of the Isle of Man and Ireland. And right here is an exposed section of that very collision. It's known as the Niarbyl Fault. Mindbender. 3. Just up the road from Niarbyl, near the hamlet of Dalby, a mysterious creature was discovered living in the walls of a remote farmhouse. Enter the talking mongoose. An 80-year-old mongoose, or ghost of one, that could actually talk. And that's what he did, chatting away to the family that lived there. He became known as the Dalby Spook. And at a time just after the First World War, when spiritualism was particularly popular, his fame quickly spread. You seen the movie yet? Mindbender. 4. The so-called Sulby Giant, aka Arthur Cayley, was born in Sulby on the Isle of Man 200 years ago. As he grew up, he kept on growing and growing all the way up to the dizzying height of 7 foot 11 inches. That's just over 2.4 meters. He left the island to seek his fortunes and eventually ended up in New York, reinventing himself as the Arabian giant Colonel Goshen, where he was a big star on the circus circuit. Okay, so here we are at the cottage of the so-called Sulby Giant. This is apparently a cast of Arthur Cayley's hand. If you measure from the base of the pillar to the top of the middle finger, then you get an idea of the Sulby Giant's height. This gatepost is a monument to the Sulby celebrity. Mindbender. 5. Talking of giants, check this beauty out. The Great Laxey Wheel is the largest original working water wheel in the world. It's a massive 22 meters in diameter. The Laxey wheel, also known as the Lady Isabella, was built in 1854 to pump water for the Laxey mines. Mining in Laxey ceased around 100 years ago, but Lady Isabella keeps on turning in beautiful Laxey village. Mindbender 6. From the biggest to the tiniest. This is the Peel P50, a microcar originally manufactured on the Isle of Man during the 1960s. It features in the Guinness World Records as the smallest production car ever made. Appropriately, for an island with the 3 legs as its emblem, these cars were built with just 3 wheels. It's powered by a 49cc DKW engine and has 3 gears, but no reverse gear. To reverse, you just grab the handle at the back and haul it wherever you need it to go. What a stunning car! But where do you fit the dogs? A big thank you to the Manx Transport Heritage Museum in Peel for taking the P50 out for us. They even let me go for a spin in their Trident.
Jump in.
Oh my goodness, this is exciting. The 2-seater sister of the P50.
Air conditioning.
What an incredible experience. Pure joy. Mindbender 7. From the tiniest to the fastest. The Isle of Man is home to the world famous TT motorbike races. Fastest competitors clock an average speed of over 130 miles an hour. That's hurtling through the island's winding country roads. Tens of thousands of visitors from all over the globe flock to the island every year to watch the TT. You'll see rather a lot of these, and these, and these. Mindbender 8. The Isle of Man has its own distinct vehicle registration plates, which always feature the letters M and N. Another key feature is our national emblem, the 3 legs. The first ever number plate released on the Isle of Man was MN1, issued in 1906. Over 100 years later, that reg plate was sold at auction for £100,000. Mindbender 9. We can't vote in the British elections. That's because the Isle of Man has its own parliament, Tynwald. which is over 1,000 years old. We don't have MPs. We have MHKs. MHK stands for Member of the House of Keys. That's the Manx Parliament. You can vote from the age of 16. Mindbender 10. The Isle of Man has its own tartan. The Laxey Manx tartan is blue for the sea and sky, gold for the gorse, purple for the heather, green for the hills, and white for the Manx stone cottages. Talking of Manx stone cottages, let's close with a quick quiz. What links this with this and this? The answer? The cottages at Niarbyl and the village of Cregneash both appeared in the hit movie Waking Ned, set in Ireland but filmed in the Isle of Man. The Isle of Man has played host to some major movies. Stars who've appeared in movies filmed here include David Bowie, Johnny Depp, Patrick Swayze, Renée Zellweger, and John Malkovich, to name just a few. Not bad for a little island in the middle of the Irish Sea. There's plenty more mindbenders where they came from, so please stay tuned. Oh, and you can click that subscribe button if you like too. Thanks for watching.